Hi, this is Jack at Jack's Transmissions. Thanks for watching our videos today. We're going to talk about our GR6 Billet 7075 thrust plate for the gear cluster in your GR6 R35 Nissan GTR transmission. So what happens with these is, with a helical gear set, when you launch real hard, you have a shock to the system, you wheel hop, things like that, it's creating what's called thrust movement in the gear cluster. So this is a factory plate here. You have this lip on the end that prevents the thrust movement of the gear set, holds it in place. What happens is if you shock it one too many times, you'll blow that area out. The bearing will blow past the plate. It's no longer retained in position. Your gear cluster will move out of position, and gears like 6th gear will grind into the main case of your transmission, creating a mess. It's kind of a big deal when these go bad. It doesn't cause a huge amount of damage, but it creates a huge mess that needs to be cleaned up, and you have to start all over again on your trans build. So we very highly recommend these on anything that's above our Drag 800 build, because it's just added insurance to prevent this costly failure. Now, on top of that, what a lot of people have done with these is they just copy the OEM flawed design with billet aluminum, which looks pretty and everything, but we thought we'd take a little bit further. What we've done is, in time, we found that there's excessive clearance in here on this lip on the factory assembly, where you have a little bit too much thrust clearance on the gear cluster. In time, we figured out what thickness shim you have to put in here to get it exactly right, so the clearance is spot on the money. So what we've done with these is we've integrated that extra material to this plate. So you don't have to worry about measuring thrust clearance, putting a shim in here, or any of that stuff. It's done for you. It is thoughtfully engineered for you to bolt this in, and your thrust clearance, whether it's OEM gear set or aftermarket, will be spot on exactly where it needs to be. Just another thoughtful design by Jack's Transmissions. Thank you for watching.